La 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 la. Hello, class 4. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. We can say it quicker. Let's try to say it very quick. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Or even faster. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Yeah. Just to make it different. How are you? Remember? How are you? I'm okay. I'm great. Thank you. Always say thank you. It's polite. It's nice. And say it well. Say thank you. Or say thanks. The same. Thank you. Thanks. Okay, this is lesson 16. Today we speak about verbs, actions of the movers list. Do you remember at school the purple list? These are the verbs of the purple list. We did them at school already. I think we started with indoors. I don't remember if we did outdoors, but anyway, today we look at the both indoors and outdoors. So what is indoors? Indoors, it means inside a house or a building. Inside, in a room, in a house, at school, some place where there is a roof. You are indoors because you are inside. And the others are, you see, outdoors. It's the opposite. Okay, so if you go out of the house and you've got the sky above and over you, it means you are outside. So like in the park, in the garden, on the seaside, on the beach, on the mountains. This is outside, outdoors. So today we start with the activities you can do inside a house or a school, somewhere indoors. Okay, now I'll show you. You will see it's easier than it looks. So I'll start with indoors. Yeah, do you remember this list? Yeah? Okay, let's see it together. I will make it big. Well, first I show you how many verbs there are, okay? And now, one by one, I'll make it bigger so that we can concentrate in one of them. Okay, so this one, for example, she's sleeping, yeah? Not just sleeping, the verb is dream, okay? Dream. A little smaller like this. But this disturbs me. I don't know how to get rid of this. Okay, let's do so. Dream, you see? Of course, you dream in a place, in a house. Huh? Okay, you're indoors. Dream. And then you hear the alarm clock and you wake up. Okay, you wake up. And then you go and wash your face. Wash. And then you dry. Maybe you wash your hair and you dry your hair. Dry. Okay, so I think you could copy them already. Yeah, copy them now. Come on. Okay, copy. Dream, wake up, wash, and dry, so that you remember them. And then we have more verbs, things you can do in the house, indoors. You have invite. You invite somebody for a party, and then maybe in the party you can put on fancy clothes, fancy dresses, and you dress up like a princess or like a pirate, whatever you want. Or maybe you play like this. So you hide behind an armchair. And imagine you are at this nice party inside the house and it's fun. So you ha 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 ha, laugh, laugh. It's another verb. Then let's think about something different. You can do inside an activity. This is not you, but maybe your mom and dad, they work. I am a teacher. I am working. It's my job. I work. And now this is something you do if you go to the bank. You've got money. You've got dollars or euros. You can change dollars for euros, euros for dollars. Change. And this is another activity we do indoors. This is my activity. You see, teach is the verb teach. Teach, teacher. And teacher is the name of the activity, of the job, actually. The teach, teaches. I am teaching. I am a teacher. And this is another kind of thing you do inside, but yeah, you can do it outside too. For example, ballet dancing, you have to do it often, not every day, but if you can, practice and practice and practice. Also, if you play an instrument, you have to practice and practice and practice and practice and practice every instrument you play. Practice. Okay, then if you have a dog or a cat inside or a fish, you give food. So you feed your animals. And this is what we all do. We get bigger and bigger and bigger. We grow. So if you want to measure, you go on a wall and you measure if you are growing up. And this could be your grandma or your aunt who brings a pie or a cake to the table. And this is something that could happen if you bring a teapot and some glasses that they fall by accident. Oops, I dropped a cup, I dropped a saucer or a glass. Oops, it's an accident, it fell, I dropped it with no intention. And this is what you can do if something gets broken. The computer doesn't work. Wait, I can fix it. Fix. Okay. And then when you are at home or at school, you think about other things. Think about the park or a holiday. And if you have a phone, you can send a message with WhatsApp. You text. This is speak and this is text. So you take the telephone and you text. Look at this boy. That's quite abstract. The boy, you see, has got one broken shoe. Look at the shoe, you see? You can see his toes coming out of the shoe. There's a hole. The shoe is old and broken. So he needs new shoes. And the last one. You must. You must. You must study English. Must. I order. You must study. Okay? And this is must. These are all the activities you can do indoors. I hope you copied them all. I hope you have copied them. Yes? Because now it's time for the activities you can do outdoors. Okay? You go out of the house, out of the school, out. You've got the sky above you. And, buy. You can go and buy ice cream outside. Buy. With money, you buy. Or you can go shopping. You can go to a shop and buy lots of things. Shop. And then you can carry an object from one place to another place. Okay, you carry things. or you can write a letter or a postcard and you send it to somebody, not through email, no, a real letter. You send it. Then you copy them, copy all these verbs. Then we have fall. You go by bike and then you fall. Be careful, huh? Because you can get hurt. And this is a pity. You walk around and look. This man has got a key and whoop, key. He drops the key and the key is on the floor. And then he forgets, he goes and he loses the key and the key is lost. Then here we have a girl who has an accident and she gets hurt. Ow, hurt. Then you want to take the bus and you have to wait at the bus stop. Wait. And then outside, what else can you do? You can fish. This is not difficult. Or if you have a nice boat like this, a sailboat, you can sail on the water somewhere on the open sea. Now let's speak about the weather. It's raining, rain. If it's winter, it can snow. It's the verb snow. Then, if there's a tree, somebody could try to climb, but it's dangerous. And so the mom says, be careful, don't fall, you'll get hurt. We don't want to go to the hospital, we have to go shopping. So careful, if you climb a tree, not too high. And this one doesn't want to climb, he wants to hop. If you hop, you're jumping like this. Hop. So vertical, hop. And skip. If you have a rope, you can skip. And if you have the skates, you can skate on the ice, or if you have the little wheels, you can roller skate. We'll have to go quickly. Move a table. Yes, move it. This is not carry, it's just move from one place to another. And this boy wants to build a wall, and to build a house. You build something, piece after piece. And this is what an angry teacher does. Shout. Or if you're scared, or if you're angry, or if you're crying very loud, where, you shout. Or if you want to call somebody, hey, hello, hey, come here, shout. Not a nice thing. It's not nice. I don't like it. If you have a plant outside, you can water. You throw water, and water is a verb, okay? He is watering the flowers. And then this. Oh, I miss that. During the quarantine, we have to stay at home. We cannot go anywhere. But I'd like to. Maybe soon, you take a plane and you fly, you take a car, you drive, or a motorbike, you ride it, you travel. You go from Arezzo to Florence to New York, you travel. And that's the last verb of our collection of activities you can do inside or outside, indoors or outdoors. Here I am. So, I repeat. You please take these verbs indoors, copy them all from English, and the outdoors, copy them, copy the English words. They are 20 and 20. Here I am back. You copy them, and what happens here? What happens? You copy them, 20 indoors verbs and 20 outdoors verbs, and you translate them in Italian. Bye bye. Da 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 da.